In this video, I explain repeats of numbers or characters in RStudio. If you face any problems to repeat numbers or characters in RStudio, then this video will be beneficial for you. If you are new on my channel Statisticians Club, please subscribe the channel. Now let's start. If you can generate repeats of numbers or characters by using function rep, rep is the function used for repeat. I write here in RStudio rep function rep. So I want to repeat 6 3 times. So in this function, in ref function, first argument, which is 6, is the number that we want to repeat, and second argument, that is 3, shows the number of times that you want the number 6. So first position is the write the number which you want to repeat, and the second argument is the number how many times to repeat the 6. So enter. Here is the answer. We repeat 6 3 times. In next example, you can also repeat a sequence by using ref function. So write here ref function and write sequence. For the purpose for writing sequence, first is start, where you want to start. In my last video on sequence, I explained this in depth. So first is the starting point colon, and the second argument is where you want to end your sequence. So 2 to 5 is our sequence, and we want to repeat this sequence 2 times. So enter. Here is the answer 2 3 4 5. First repeat 2 3 4 5. Second repeat. If you want to repeat each number, so in sequence 2 to 5, we want to repeat each number. How can we do this in RStudio? By using rep function. Bracket start. This can be done by using each command. So here is the sequence 2 to 5, comma, each 2. Enter. Here you can see each number is repeated 2 times. 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5. If you want to repeat each number in sequence with the repetition of whole sequence, we want to repeat whole sequence, then how we can do this? Here is some error appear because I use here dot. So I write it again. Ref function for here is the sequence. Next is each. We repeat each digit 2 times, and next is times. How many times? In above equation we repeat single time. So here I want to 3 times. Enter. You can see 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4. First repetition, each means 2 times, each number is repeated 2 times. Here is first repetition completed 1 to 4. Here is second start 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4. At this point second repetition is completed. Here is the third repetition and each number repeated 2 times 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4. So if you want to repeat a sequence each number for any times, write here each 2 I repeat for 2 times, I write here 2. If you want to 3 4 any numbers you can write here to get its repetition. And here is the time means repetition of whole sequence. So and now next example, I move to the next example. When each element of series is to be repeated a different number of times, then second argument must be a vector of the same length as the vector comprising of the first argument. So I write here enter. So here is the first sequence 1 to 4 and the same length, vector of same length 1 to 4. So here is the first number, second number 2 repeated 2 times, third number is 3, it is repeated 3 times, and fourth number is 4 and it is repeated 4 times. And now the next example, if you want irregular repetition of a sequence, so how we can do this? By using ref function. Here is vector which you want to repeat each number. So our sequence is 1 to 4 and our vector start, first digit stands for the repetition of first number. So here is 2, 1 repeat 2 times. Second number in this sequence is 2 and it is repeated by 4 times. 2 2 2 2 repeat by 4 times. Third number in this sequence is 3 and at third position in this vector 1. So it is 3 repeated by 1 time. And fourth number in this sequence is 4 and it is repeated by 3 times. So if you want to repeat numbers with irregular sequence, in which sequence you want to start and which position every sequence lies, so use this function, write sequence comma and the start a vector and here write the number exact in the position first, second, third, which number you want to repeat. Now I move to the next example. If we want to repeat character data with irregular numbers, how we can do this? By using ref function. Here start a vector as you know, character write in inverted commas. First is red, second is pink, white, third number is white, next again vector start. I want red color for 2 times, so I write here is 2, and 3 times pink, so write here 3, and in this vector is for repetition. How to repeat a character. So as you can see, red is repeated 2 times, pink is repeated 3 times, and white is repeated 1 time, because second vector shows the position against first vector. The number, how much time you want to repeat. If you want to see videos on sequence in RStudio ceiling function, then click the link in front of your screen. Thanks for watching.